So in this video, we will be learning installation of Kibana. What is Kibana? Kibana is a data visualization and management tool for Elasticsearch that provides real-time histograms, line graphs, pie chart, and maps. Kibana also includes advanced applications such as Carbon, which allow user to create custom dynamic infography based on the data, and Elastic Map for visualizing geospatial data. So let's see the installation of Kibana. I quickly move on my VM, open your browser and go for link elastic.co/download/Kibana, where you'll find multiple variant of Kibana where it's Windows, Mac, Linux, RPM, Debian. Click on window. I already downloaded it and extracted it. Open Kibana. Press CMD and run as administrator. Navigate to the path where you extracted. You'll find Kibana. Let me check. It's pin. Go to pin. Then Kibana.bat. And wait for the installation to get complete. Look like our Kibana is up and running. Let's test it. Go to your browser and hit for an IP 127.0.0.1 with port number 5601. 5601 is the default port where Kibana is. Well, it's look interesting. This is all about installation of